My name is BJ Smith. I work for McCluskey Chevrolet. I'm one of the senior service writers. I see quite a few salesmen and sales managers driving the vehicles through the UVeye setup. So it basically just helps them determine the value of the trade and what they may have into it as far as a resale aspect and a recon aspect of it. Since it's been implemented, one of the major changes we've noticed is we have the capability of seeing leaks underside of vehicles, dents, scratches, dings, things like that, that you may be blamed for while it's in our possession, being worked on. Everything down to tire sales at the desk rather than waiting on a technician to send an estimate. So we've seen some pretty tremendous growth, and it's been actually a very valuable asset as a tool that we have to make our jobs a lot easier as well.
Alberto Garcia, sales. I think it was one that actually I mentioned to you guys. There was an engine problem. It was leaking some oil, it was leaking some engine fluids and things like that. They actually, if we did not have that product, maybe it will be $7,000 that we have to invest in an engine, replace an engine, replace a motor. So that definitely helped us, to actually find out that it was an engine problem. So definitely that helped a lot. Not to give this customer, $10,000 more in the value of the car. So